What's the meaning of Admiralty Arch? Admiralty Arch. Admiralty Arch. Admiralty Arch. Admiralty Arch. Admiralty Arch. Admiralty Arch is a historical landmark in London located at the end of the Mall. It was commissioned by King Edward VII and completed in 1912 to honor his mother, Queen Victoria. The arch serves as a gateway between Trafalgar Square and Buckingham Palace and was originally used as an entrance to the Royal Navy headquarters. Today, Admiralty Arch is primarily used as offices and luxury residences. Its iconic design and prime location make it a popular tourist attraction in the city.